Hi, this is Melanie Northcutt Crocker with Sugar Magnolia Properties. Today we are joined with Barbara Berry and Lora Hollins of Texas Bank and Trust to talk to you about the home buying and selling experience. So thank you ladies for joining us today. So we just wanted to have a conversation with you and just really inform home buyers, whether they're a first-time home buyer or they've bought previously, kind of what to expect in general through the entire process. So we like to call these Sit a Spell with Sugar Magnolia. So thank you all for being here and sitting a spell with us. So we will get started with just some basic questions that someone might have before they come to a bank or lending institution. So the first is, do I need to make an appointment to come to the bank? Do I call first? Can I do it online? What's the easiest way to kind of take that intimidation factor off?
Well, I know all lenders will welcome anybody to walk in for an appointment. If you schedule an appointment, you're going to make sure that they're there, so that's always good. But a lot of people these days are finding it easier to do it online, and they can do it from the convenience of their home or at lunch when they're at work. Those typically come straight to the lender and get a quick turnaround on an answer.
Okay. So easy, not scary. Not scary bakers behind the desk.
It normally take 20 minutes online. You know, it doesn't take long at all.
What information are they going to need if they do come into the bank, or if they do it online, but they already need to have prepared ahead of time?
They don't necessarily have to bring anything in because we're going to take the application based on what they say. We do let them know if they want to go ahead and bring in the past 2 years' tax returns and W-2s, a most recent pay stub, and maybe some bank statements. Those are typically the main things that we get started with.
Just a little bit of homework for them beforehand then.
Not a lot, but some.
So one of the things that our office requires before we go show property to potential buyers is for our clients to be pre-qualified. We just think that's so important because we would always hate for a buyer to want to go look at all these homes and then find out after the fact that they actually can't afford that. Yeah. They got their hopes up and they spent all of this time doing that, or that they can afford a whole lot more. And so it just really saves everyone a lot of time in the beginning for them to speak with someone about how much they could spend. So we know there's a lot of different types of home loans. What are just kind of a basic overview? I know you could get really into the weeds on that, but just a basic overview of maybe some of the main home loan programs.
Of course, we have the conventional product, which there's several different types of loans that we can do through conventional. We have a minimum of 3% down if you're wanting to pay PMI, or just for first-time home buyers, you know, that's a good program for them that's available. Of course, we also offer other type of products like FHA, which is a 3.5% down payment requirement. And there are other products out there as well, USDA, VA, that offer 0% down. So there's a variety of products. We usually like to just visit with the customer to determine which one best fits their needs.
Fits their needs, their location, that's what we were talking about earlier. With USDA, there'd be certain just geographical regions, I guess, that would fall within that. Of course, VA for veterans,
right,
and so forth. So